Hi there, Mr. Ray here. I am going to show you how to do these. If you've never done them before, they can be a little bit annoying. The first thing I would do, I've already done on this here, is these little plastic tabs. They come out of here. This is where, in the hole here, all you got to do is take the corner of your ID and just pop it out. It'll pop right out, no problem. The next thing I would say is this is like a Ziploc bag, but they're really tough. This is some nice thick plastic, but you can rip the seams if you do it too violently. So what I would actually recommend is you can get your finger in there, just kind of get it open a little bit, and then take your badge itself and just kind of open it up real good. I'm going to use the placeholder badge here. Shove it in there and get it all the way to the bottom. You want no gap at the bottom if you can. You want it to be completely clear of the seal. And seal it up real nice. The next thing that's kind of a challenge is if you've ever used these little clips here, they can be kind of hard to do. And you might be looking at this going, I'm not sure how to do this. It's actually really easy. So if you look at this part here that kind of bends in, okay, if you just take it and back it right up to it, just push down, it'll clip right on, no problem. Okay, so again, do it one more time for the people who might miss it. Is you just basically take it so that the clippy part is right here, and you just pull it right from the top. It should clip right in. If you are somebody who's very rough on things and you're worried about breaking it, I would recommend perhaps before you do this step is putting some tape right here across this. I do that on my own ID badge, is I tape it first and reinforce it because I've lost them in the past. But it's not necessary. It's a lot better to tape it beforehand than go back and tape it later. But this is how I would do the badges. I did all mine for my students, but they certainly are capable of doing this themselves. I just wanted an easy handout and I wanted to try it out. So again, highly recommend you make sure you open the pocket correctly, pop out the tab, and take it from the top, and it should work just fine.